Jeff, what are you doing?
Help me, dude. You have
Do
to
not touch this Cyclops warning. Why are you in the test tube? Clone time. Jeff, that looks. Jeff, you can't. Jeff, chill, bro. You poured the whole place on fire.
Everything but me.
No. Oh my God! No! What?
Who's get inside?
Bad, Cyclopia. You are bad. No. Why is he blowing things up now? I'm gonna spawn some more withers, and I'm gonna make an escape plan.
Oh, dude, there's only one of them left.
Come on, Cyclone, we gotta head over to Daycare, buddy, man. Wait, hold on.
Dude. Wait, what?
Yo, Cyclone, you gotta look a little bit flat, buddy. What's wrong with you, man?
I look fat, dude. What do you mean?
No, you look flat.
I
like
you flat. What do you mean?
Like you look like you're like paper.
Oh, you mean dude? I've been
what happened to you, man? Wait, what?
Working out, bro. What?
Brick Boss, come here. Wait, is Brick Boss back? No way. Hold on. Brick Boss. My name is Brick Boss. Wait. Hold on. Jeff. Yo, it's Brick Boss. What's good, brother?
What's going on,
man?
Are you good, dude?
Get down and give me 20. Oh, snap. Okay, he just got back, man. Yo, why'd you come back? No. He's kind of mad. Welcome. Hi, Jeff. How you doing, buddy? It's been a long time, man. How's everything going for you, dude? How's everything going? What are you doing? Oh, God. Okay. All right. And there goes. Okay. Dispute with a crazy lady is semi-solved. Oh, okay, awesome, man. You mean that crazy lady that came in here, the cat lady, and then she was like freaking out at you? This is the world. Brick Boss, Brick Boss. No, Brick Boss, do not eat the wall. Oh, yeah, he's going through it.
So people are coming back. Jeff, what do you mean, dude?
It's good to be back, man. What's going? Wait, is that me? That test tube? Hey, Jeff, did you make another clone of me? Are you serious right now, man? Where's that? There's water over here. I hate the water. Sorry.
And sunlight. But still, wait.
Why are you still flat, Cyclone? You look weird, dude.
What do you mean? Oh! Dude, I'm beautiful.
What the? We have a new student.
Yo, Moose, how did he go over here? Dude, wait. Moose?
Wait a minute. Wait just a minute.
Right here.
Something seems. Hello, Musina.
I'm out. Nope, I can't deal with it. No.
Whoa.
No.
Hey! Jeff, come here, Jeff. Jeff, come over here. Jeff, come over here. Be nice. I am being nice. Jeff, come over here. Jeff, is this a joke? Is this a prank? Did you find someone to act like me? Is this what it is, man? Huh? You think it was cool to have someone wear the moose costume?
Moose, dude, I'm so confused.
She applied. What do you mean she applied? Wait, she works here now? What? She's part of the daycare. I'm handling a Cyclone, okay?
What is
and
going
she's
on?
better grades than everyone here. What? You can't replace me like that, man.
Really?
I think you're your best friend. Plus what? What? My name is Big Beast. What are you talking about?
Hi, nice
the
to meet
parents got a young Moolah to help with the CP mission, so don't complain. Jeff, I don't know about this, man. Hey! Back off!
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Ow!
Let me handle this. Hey!
Both look weird.
This is like looking at myself in the mirror, except with long hair. This is kind of strange. Hi, my name's Moose. You know, I'm kind of like the boss around here, and I'm Jeff's best friend, so you can't have him.
Yo,
Moose,
hey! Moose, what's up, dude?
Yes,
Moose,
yeah.
Let's run away from Jeff.
You ain't no boss.
Wait. Oh wait, that's you. Oh,
wow.
sorry.
Cyclone, did you eat something?
No. What do you mean?
I am a booster. Jeff is the boss. Jeff is not the boss, okay? Jeff is the owner. Watch up! Oh no! Oh, Brick Boss! We got 6 months for running. Come on, 6 months. He's good. He's all good. He's good. Eat! Ah, man, this is up and he's gone. And there goes Brick Boss.
He's.
My name is Okay, well, awesome. So what'd you actually come over here, Musino? I haven't seen you around before. Okay, everyone. Okay, Jeff. I don't think Cyclone likes. I'm very new. Oh, it's awesome. Well, welcome to Daycare. I have a question. Hold up. If you're a moose, if you're the real moose, what's your favorite drink? We're introducing each other. What is your moose milk? Oh
no.
No way.
Now.
No way. No. Wait. Hey, Cyclone, shut up, bro. Oh, my bad. I think Cyclone got help. Oh, no. Jeff, you had an arrow. Brick Boss, you had an arrow in between your face. You could die.
I do
Okay,
too.
awesome. Yo, she also likes Moose, but we're like twins. Yeah, awesome. Brick Boss, are you stuck in the Moose Book bottle? How would he be stuck in the Moose Book bottle? Is he
Boss, are you good, dude?
I don't see anything at all. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Yeah, okay, whatever.
Maybe they're having their own like
let me
little
explain. So,
conversation.
Moosina, they're all crazy. Completely ignore them. Hey, Jeff!
I would take an arrow for you.
I have Moose Book bottle.
Moose, I took an arrow for you.
He's standing on the Moose Book bottle. He's That's Brick Boss. Yeah, this boy's weird. I know it's kind of crazy, man. But hey, listen, since we're both mooses, this is awesome. I like Moose Book. Wait. What's your favorite animal? This should be obvious. Psychos, do you always act so weird around girls?
Dude, look at the paintball gun, dude.
Yo, she likes mooses too.
No, I can't. I can't deal with it.
Ah!
There's two of them. I must take them out to survive.
Hey, Jeff, do me a favor. Just give me. Oh, let me handle the situation.
I'm not paintball.
Hey, Cyclone.
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Yeah?
What's your favorite fruit?
Rockets. Why?
Yeah! Just chillax, bro.
Why?
Save me, Moose. Don't worry, Moose. You're gonna be fine. Just stick with me, and
It's
everything's
not
gonna be all right,
fun.
man. Everything's gonna be. Just ignore this. He's always goes crazy. Every single time we're doing something, he turns into a horse, and then he thinks he's the craziest person ever. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Don't worry about it. Their nerd is down. Wow, Brick Boss is a savage, dude. True, Brick Boss. True. Ow! Hey! Where is he? Where'd he go? Yeah, Psycho's also really weird. He like does really, really weird things out of nowhere. I don't know why he does that. It's kind of strange. Hey, Psycho!
You never find me now.
Cyclone!
Yeah.
I have some food! He was
food?
dropped on his eye as a child. Oh, Jeff! You gotta talk about that. That's how Psycho lost his eye. Yeah, if you didn't know,
Nice,
Psycho
bro.
only has one eye because he lost it as a kid.
Hey,
It's
don't
unfortunate.
tell everybody.
I'm sorry,
Dude.
Cyclone. Well, you're the one saying that, I have a new girlfriend and all, and I like that, man.
Well, I mean, you obviously got a girlfriend, dude. What
I
do
don't
you
have a
mean?
girlfriend, man. What are you talking about? It's kind of
Wait.
funny, yeah. Is that your
Just deny
team? Come here to the middle of the daycare. Yo, Jeff is getting mad at you, dude. And sit in a circle. Wow, we're not together. I know we're not together. I never said that, okay? It's just Psycho being weird, all right, man? There we go. Much better. Okay, I'm just going to cover this up a little bit. There we go. There we go. Thanks. We're going to ask each other some questions. I can't sit. I'm too cool. Okay, all right. Yeah. All right. It's just, Brick Boss, I feel like if you sit down, you might, never mind. I won't say anything. Like, you're cool, but wait. What are you trying to say?
Hey,
Wait, what you trying to say?
Follow me.
Go kaboom! Yes.
Hey, female.
Yes.
Female.
You might break the floor, big
Female.
thick boy. What a
Female.
savage, dude. I don't really know you. Hey, yo, Psycho, stop creeping people
Huh?
around, man.
What?
She's a new girl, bro. Stop creeping around.
Trying to
Oof.
assassinate her. Well, I wasn't gonna paintball. What? Huh? No, Minecraft.
Something's not right. Cyclops, back up. Lucina, if Cyclops tries to talk to you, just completely ignore him. He has this problem where whenever he sees a girl, he just doesn't know how to talk to them. Yeah, it's kind of like his problem, dude. Yeah. Wait, where's the Brick Boss go? Brick Boss? Hey, where'd he go? Hi, Brick Boss! Your eyes are so derpy. Yeah, he's really weird. I know, he just got his moments, but don't worry. I still got my moves. Nice. Hey!
You saw
Cyclone,
nothing.
you ain't dumb,
Like
bro.
the wind, I am gone, dude. Like the wind, I am gone. Oh. Like the wind, I am gone.
Jeff, sick him. Jeff, sick him. Get him. Oh, what's this do? What's this? Huh. Does he think he's Shakespeare with his rhymes? Ah! Yup, Jeff's coming for you, Cyclone. You are in a bad situation, buddy. Jeff does not like you, and he's coming for you right now. Oh, where'd you go? Jeff, where'd you go? Where? Cyclone? Cyclone?
I'm a
Cyclone?
take-out female.
You are dead for now, Cyclone. Oh, snap. Yo, Moosina's about to wreck you, bro. Yo, Moosina first, Cyclone. I want to see this battle, dude. I want to see this. Yo, WWE Championship.
I fight from the shadows. Nobody can find me. I'm super invisible at all times.
I will go upstairs and be cooler than everyone.
Ow! Ow! I am sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, please.
Oh, snap. Yo, Moosina. Oh, snap. Moosina was about to take you down, bro. Yo.
No, that didn't happen. What do you mean?
Bro, you just got beat up by a girl, man.
No, I didn't.
Ooh, snap. You're crazy.
No, I didn't, dude.
I saw it with my own bare eyes, dude. Listen, man.
Wait, you're a bear?
Yo. Huh?
You just said you saw it with your own bare eyes.
No, yeah, back up, boy. Oh, snap, you feisty, dude. Okay, well, I'm heading back to the daycare, man. Hey, Cyclone, if you plan to come back to the daycare, no funny business, okay? I don't want you messing with and causing problems, all right, man? Because you've been doing it long. I'm going to fix up this daycare with my moose. There we go. Much better and perfect. Just like that. Stockholm, what are you doing?
Try and fight me now. Try and fight me now.
Jeff, it's time for Plan B, Jeff. Jeff, it's time for Plan... Jeff! Where'd he go? Where's Jeff when you need him?
Hello?
Jeff, come over here. Oh!
Oh, Big Boss!
You made Big Boss rage quit. Jeff, you look like you have some weird fin going on the back of your... I don't know, your back, I guess? Jeff, what?
I will take out the female.
Wow!
With my
Jeff!
powers.
What happened to... Psycho, can you not? Can you not cause problems?
Jeff,
Jeff,
listen, dude.
your beard! Cyclops, time out!
No,
Jeff, you have double antlers, a fin on your back, and also up. Ow! Jeff, are you okay? Jeff's fine. Trust me, Jeff. He's got his problems when Jeff just slowly transforms. Every time he gets angry, he kind of turns into like some weird wizard or something. I don't know, man.
Oh no, Jeff. Please.
That's it. You're done for, buddy. You are done for, man. Oh. Ha ha! Yo, Moosina's a savage, dude. Hashtag Moosina is a savage, dude. Wow. You're not looking too hot, man. Oh!
I'm gone!
Hey! Let's get him! Come on! Hey, get back here, hacker! There you go, Cyclone. You are not going here. Get him, Moosina! Get him! Get back here, Cyclops! Hey, no, bad Cyclops. Bad Cyclops. No. Where'd he go? Wait, what? How did he parkour? Where'd he go?
I know where you are, Moose. Oh no, Jeff. Oh no, Moose. Jeff is hacked.
Let's get him! Let's get him, bro! Hey! Come here! Hey! I'm on fire! No! Hey, come here! Bad Psycho! You messing with my friend Moosina? How about that? You're back up!
Girlfriend.
Oh, is that my say girlfriend? I don't even know her that long, okay? You can't say she's my girlfriend, bro. No, I do not like her.
Dude.
Whoa, no. Exactly, man. It's not. It doesn't matter.
He likes
We're not together. Yeah, we're not together.
I might have bitten off more than I could chew it. No, listen. Wait, can we talk about this? Can we talk about this?
Where's he at? Where's that little Cyclops at?
I feel we should talk about this, okay?
Hey, get here! Bang! Come on! Hey, you're not going anywhere. Stop it, Cyclops. Cyclops, stop it. Cyclops, stop it.
No.
Stop it, you hacker!
Oh,
and he's done. We got him! And the daycare's burnt down. We tell this every time. Do not touch the daycare. Look what happens. It gets worse and worse every time.
Listen, dude.
Please hit the daycare by hitting subscribe button and donating the notification bell.
Daycare's a little bit on fire.
Jeff! He does it. He did it again, man.
Dude,
we got the new.
The fire was spreading.
What do you mean you got the new? Where's he at?
Oh, God. I escaped through the fire.
Oh, Jeff is not looking at the fire. Moosina! No. You can't, Moosina.
Yes.
Very careful. Yo.
Moose,
Okay,
I
we're
need
good.
to tell you the truth, dude.
What is it, buddy?
Listen, I was just too upset that I thought you would leave me for Moosina, dude.
I would never leave my best friend Cyclops from Moosina.
Well, you just call me Cyclops, so like.
Well, you got one eye, and she has two, so it's pretty cool.
I have
you got one eye right there, and
wow,
one
so you were planning on leaving me.
So,
So is that how
and
it
Moose,
is? You were planning all along?
What's wrong? What's up?
I have to put the fire
I was
out.
not gonna leave you, Cyclops. Okay, she's a friend of mine. That's it, man. We both like Moose.
Dude,
yeah, it's awesome. Everyone's like,
Dude, let me quickly help you put the fire out, Jeff. Look, I'm sorry for starting with the fire. It might be flooded.
Cyclops, stop using your hacks.
Dude, it might be flooded a little bit now, but listen, the fire's gone mostly, kind of. Moose, whatever you do, don't come inside the daycare. Whatever.
Don't do it.
You
Just
do.
put me on fire. Oh, and the whole.
Nope.
Hey, Cyclone, clean it up now. Oh, Moosina's mad. Yo, you better listen to Moosina. Yo, never get Moosina mad, all right? It's a bad idea. Bad idea, dude.
I'm just trying to stop the fire spread.
I don't want to know shit. I can't swim, okay?
Oh,
Jeff,
wait, you
can't
can't
swim. You got this weird fin thing right there. I think that would help with your swimming. And I don't own a boat. Jeff, don't worry, man. Once the CPMs are fixed, you'll own a boat. All right, buddy? Sounds good, man. Jeff the Moose. Hard worker. Much love. Probably not. Yeah, most likely not.
I
okay.
mean, you can dream.
You need to get a rowboat. Cyclone, get over here. I'll make Cyclone clean it up.
Listen,
don't worry.
Oh,
snap. Yo, Moosina's boxing Cyclops.
I don't know how.
Hey, stop making it worse, Cyclops. You are
I
making
got
the
it.
whole daycare worse. Oh my
I
God,
got
this
it.
guy.
We good. I put out the fire and now I'm cleaning up. Look, I'm doing good. Are you proud of me? Can you stop hitting
Cyclops,
me now,
there's a huge possibility that Moose is
there's
probably
a
going to
piggy.
beat you up, okay? And Jeff's going to put you in jail.
Moose, I found a piggy.
You make me age, Jeff.
I make
Oh,
you age?
come on,
Moose,
Jeff.
nah.
Jeff's growing a beard because of you. Now Jeff's got to get cleaned up. You're stressing him out, man. He's losing his hair. He's
I'm
growing
sorry,
some deer
Jeff.
antlers.
I'm
And he's
sorry,
transforming
dude.
into whatever this is. I don't know what this is. I'm actually very confused right now.
Hey. Okay,
Look what you
dude.
did. It's okay. Cyclops,
Here's some
Cyclops,
carpet.
listen.
I'm
Cyclops,
sorry, I broke
He's
everything.
brought before he arrests you, dude. You better get out. Jeff, you're back.
I'm gone, dude. I'm gonna go.
Jason Moosebrook, buddy. You should fix it up, man. There you go.
Moose,
Ah,
thank you for
there you go.
distracting him, dude.
There
I'm
you
gone.
go, my
I'm
friend.
gone now.
What you got?
Moose,
And running
I've
away.
got to escape. I don't want to be arrested, dude.
Oh, come on! Now he's aging again. I wonder how long mooses live. Probably infinite lives if they keep on drinking moose milk. Yeah! Well, Moosina, it was nice meeting you. You're super awesome. You know, you like mooses. You like the moose milk and stuff, and you're pretty savage, so that's a win for me. You're one of my new best friends, okay? Well, I gotta get going, though, so you have a wonderful day.
Hey, Moosina.
Hey!
Yes, I win! Paintball guns OP! Oh, wait, oh.
Yeah, ignore him. He has this paintball addiction. He thinks he's a pro. Hey, where you want to come from? You want to come from what? Where you want to go? Hey, don't mess with my friend. Yeah, get back over here, Cyclops.
Sorry, take
Cyclops.
everything I have. Please, please. That's everything.
Cyclops.
Please.
That's it, man. I'm
Let
going,
me go.
Cyclops.
No!
Bye, Cyclops. Yeah, paintball guns are weird. Yeah, they're kind of lame. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you later, Musina. Bye. Alright, so, well, that was pretty cool meeting Musina. She's a pretty awesome friend, you know. And, yeah, nothing more than that.
Girlfriend, you mean?
Nothing more than, I'm not dating Musina, okay? Whatever you say. God, you confuse me sometimes. Well, anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe and set the bell. And come back tomorrow for a Brady Moose Badge video. Daycare video on the
Subscribe,
MooseRoleplays
Moose Mod,
YouTube
link in
channel.
the description below.
I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. 10,000 likes for a brand new Daycare video. Bye. Bye.